So the cleanest example of this, and I'll get back to your question, is Newton's laws of motion and gravity. So the Newton's laws of motion and gravity worked. They worked not only for galloping horses, it worked for the moon in orbit around the Earth, and the Earth in orbit around the sun, and Jupiter's moons in orbit around Jupiter. Okay, but wait a minute, it doesn't work for Mercury. Mercury's orbit is not following Newton's laws. Einstein comes along and says, I have a new understanding of gravity and a new understanding of motion. And it accounts for this weirdness in Mercury's orbit. Its shape could only be accounted for when you throw in Einstein's theory of general relativity. What happens typically is you have a deeper understanding of the universe in which that understanding gets embedded. And you realize that you only understood a small part of a larger whole. But the small parts you did understand, where you had multiple experiments that confirmed it, that doesn't change. So this multiverse concept gives us a reason why. Okay. Gaining energy. And then where does all that energy go? One of the hypotheses, and I'm highly simplifying here, is that the energy gained by rolling down a hill, and these are energy hills that would exist in this sort of higher dimensional space that we're talking about, that energy has to manifest in that object somehow, and it becomes an explosion and gives birth. With enough energy, it gives birth to matter, everything that we know and love, and it expands. Multiverse concept actually delivers this for you, basically for free.
That thought would be that the Big Bang is just one of many events that happen in the multiverse.
Correct.